welcome to all who are watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the pair of straight lines MZ problems, and this is the introduction video. In this video, I start the pair of straight lines chapter, pair of straight lines MZ problems, and the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MZ examination. So all of you use these videos, watch the videos, make the notes, practice the problems. Okay, let us start the class. The practice sums of the pair of straight lines are also available in the description. So all of you, after watching the video, once open the description and see the problems and do those sums also. Okay, let us start the class. Now the first problem, the question is the separate equations of the line 6x square plus 5xy minus 6y square is equal to 0. The separate equations of these lines, since this is the pair of straight line, it represents two lines. This is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. It represents the two lines. Now we want the two lines equations, the separate lines of this equation. Simply doing the factorization to get the separate lines. That is 6x square. What is the product value here? Minus 36. That is, what are the factors? 6x square plus 9xy minus 4xy minus 6y square. So to get the separate lines, just simply doing the factorization. Now taking 3x common here, 3x into 2x plus 3y, and here taking minus 2y common, minus 2y into 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Therefore the two lines equations are 3x minus 2y into 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay, the two lines are, the first line is 3x minus 2y is equal to 0, and the second line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, and that is the second option. That's all. Now the second problem, the equation 3x square plus 10xy minus 8y square is equal to 0 represents. So here also one equation is given. What this represents, that is a given question. What are the options? Constant lines, real and distant lines, imaginary lines, parallel lines. That is, here also we have to find the lines which are represented by this equation. That is, again doing the factorization. What are the factors? Minus 24 here, that is, the product is equal to minus 24 here, that is 3x square plus 12xy minus 2xy minus 8y square is equal to 0. Just simply doing the factorization. Now taking 3x common here, then we get x plus 4y, and here minus 2y common, that is minus 2y into x plus 4y. Therefore the lines represented by this equation are x plus 4y into 3x minus 2y is equal to 0, means x plus 4y is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. So it represents two equations which are in real numbers. So the answer is real and distinct lines. Here we get the two lines equations which are the real equations and distinct lines equations. So the answer is real and distinct lines. That is the first option. Okay. Next problem is on number 3. If the slope of one lines of the pair of lines 2x square plus 3xy plus ky square is equal to 0 is 2, then the value of k is equal to. So given that slope of one of the lines is equal to 2. Suppose slope of the one line is equal to, I take that m here, that is m is equal to 2. This is the given data. Slope of the one of the lines is equal to 2. Then what is the value of the k? We want k value. So here slope is equal to 2 means what is the line equation? Actual formula is equal to y is equal to mx. That is y is equal to 2x. Okay. Form equation of line is y is equal to mx. Since this is the pair of straight line passing through the origin, that is the line, one of the lines represented by this equation is equal to y is equal to mx. But given that m is equal to 2, that is y is equal to 2x. Now y is equal to 2x is one of the lines represented by this equation, that is replacing y is equal to mx equation in the given pair of straight line. To get the value of k, we have to replace that y is equal to kx in the given equation. That is 2x square plus 3x into what is y value? 2x plus k into again what is y value? 2x. Y square is equal to 4x square. Now taking x square common here, then we get 2 plus 6 plus 4k is equal to 0. That is 8 plus 4k is equal to 0. Therefore the value of k is equal to minus 2. Okay, and that is the first option. Next question is on number 4. The sum and product of the slopes of the lines 2x square plus xy minus y square is equal to 0. So the question is sum and product of the slopes, that is sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. So here one equation is given. We want the values of the sum of the slopes and product of the slopes, that is m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2. What is m1 plus m2 formula? Minus 2h by b. And what is m1 into m2 formula? A by b. Okay, now replacing the values. Minus, what is 2h value? 2h is equal to 1 here, xy quotient 1 by b value minus 1, that is b is equal to minus 1 here. So answer is equal to 1. First answer is equal to 1. Second answer, a by b, that is 2 by minus 1, that is equals to minus 2. So the values are 1 comma minus 2 and that is the first option. Okay, just simply taking the formulas and replacing the values, that's all. Next problem, sum number 5. The difference of the slopes of the lines represented by the equation 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. The difference of the slopes. So what are the slopes values? m1 comma m2. So here we have a direct formula to find the difference of the slopes, that is m1 minus m2 is equal to, the formula is 2 root h square minus ab by modulus of b. This is the formula for finding the difference of the slopes values. Okay. Now substituting the values. 2 root, what is h value? 2h is equal to minus 4, that is h is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus ab. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 1, that is ab is equal to 3. By modulus of b, b is equal to 1. Now this is equal to 2 into square root of 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So the answer is equal to 2, okay, which is the second option. Next problem, sum number 6. The question is the difference of the slopes of the lines represented by x square into secant square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 tan x into xy plus y square into sin square theta is equal to 0. What is the given question? The difference of the slopes, that is we want the value of the m1 minus m2. Now what is the formula here? Already I told you this one. 2 root h square minus ab by modulus of b. Now replacing the values, that is 2 root h square. What is h value? Minus tan theta. 2h is equal to minus 2 tan theta. H is equal to minus tan theta. H square, that is tan square theta minus ab. A is equal to secant square theta minus sin square theta. B is equal to sin square theta. Now replacing the values here, secant square theta minus sin square theta into sin square theta by modulus of b. What is b value? B is equal to sin square theta. Now this is equals to 2 into square root of, the first value is equal to tan square theta minus, what is second value? Secant square into sin square. What is secant square? 1 by cos square. Sin square by cos square. Sin square by cos square is equal to tan square. Minus of minus becomes plus, sin square into sin square, sin power 4. Okay, by sin square theta. Now here tan square theta and tan square theta gets cancelled. So this is equals to 2 sin square theta by sin square theta is equals to 2. And that is the second option. Very easy, just applying the formula to get the difference of the slopes values. Next problem, sum number 7. The combined equation of the lines passing to the origin having the slopes values 3 and minus 2. The combined equation of the lines having the slopes is equal to 3 comma minus 2. That is, slopes of the lines are given here, that is m1 is equal to 3 and m2 is equal to minus 2. Now we want the combined equation of the lines. So first, what are the lines equations? Y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. What are the lines equations? Y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. That is, y is equal to 3x and y is equal to minus 2x. Means the first line is 3x minus y is equal to 0 and the second line is minus 2x minus y is equal to 0. Minus 2x minus y is equal to 0 means 2x plus y is equal to 0. Now we want the combined equation, means simply multiplying these two equations, that is 3x minus y into y plus 2x is equal to 0. Simply multiplying the two equations, that is 6x square minus 2xy plus 3xy plus xy minus y square is equal to 0. That's all. So the answer is 6x square plus xy minus y square equal to 0 and that is the third option. Just replacing the values of m1 comma m2 in the lines equations and multiplying the two lines equations to get the combined equation. That's all. Next problem, sum number 8. The question is, if the slopes of the lines represented by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, are in the ratio 3:2, then what is the condition? So given that slopes are in the ratio 3:2. So first I take that this ratio is equal to m:/n. Okay. Slopes are in the ratio 3:2. Now we have one direct formula. If the slopes are in the ratio m:/n, then the condition is m plus n whole square by mn is equal to 4h square by ab. This is the direct formula. The condition is if the slopes are in the ratio m:/n, then the condition is m plus n whole square by mn is equal to 4h square by ab. Now replacing the values, what are m comma n here? 3 comma 2. M plus n whole square, 5 whole square, 25 by m into n, that is 6 is equals to 4h square by ab. Now taking the cross product, then we get 24h square is equal to 25ab. So 24h square is equal to 25ab, and this is the first option. Okay, just simply replacing the ratio of the slopes in the condition to get the required answer. That's all.